Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a very new technology about AI, artificial intelligence, which can take over all of our jobs in future. And I'm not kidding. So actually what I was just searching some latest AI tools available in the market right now, and I saw a very scary introductory video of new AI technology which is called DEVIN AI, and the founder, which is Scott Yu, is telling about this DEVIN AI itself as a software engineer. Now, just speaking of devil, I misspelled it as speaking of devil. I just misspelled it as Devin. I'm not sure whether it's gonna take over all of our jobs and our certainty in future. I don't know. I really don't know, because this AI technology, it's very new and still it is in progress, the work in progress, and they are making a lot of changes in this AI. And I really don't know, actually. Really, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a short introductory video, published by the Cognition AI website and hosted by Scott Yu, himself. And this person is super duper genius, I would say, because I will go one by one, step by step. I'm very excited. I'm just fumbling a little bit. I don't know from where I need to start, where I need to stop, but still, I'm going to show you that introductory video hosted by Scott Yu. So I'm just going back to my. So this is the introductory video hosted by Scott Yu. I'm just playing this video. Just watch it. Maybe I can drag a little bit to the left. Watch it.
Hey, I'm Scott from Cognition AI, and today I'm really excited to introduce you to Devin, the first AI software engineer. Let me show you an example of Devin in action. I'm going to ask Devin to benchmark the performance of Llama on a couple different API providers. From now on, Devin is in the driver's seat.
Wow.
First, Devin makes a step-by-step plan of how to tackle the problem. After that, it builds the whole project using all the same tools that a human software engineer would use. Devin has its own command line, its own code editor, and even its own browser. In this case, Devin decides to use the browser to pull up API documentation so that it can read up and learn how to plug into each of these APIs.
I need to pause here. MIC. I don't know how to describe. This is awesome, man. In one screen, we have a quadrant of 4 screens, and each quadrant represent individual functionality. You know what? Whenever we're just searching through the internet for the solution for any code, and we are always go for the Stack Overflow, and we always go for the Google. Like if we're stuck somewhere, we are always looking for the solution for it. And here a Devin is doing the same thing what you do with the all browser. That's awesome. I mean, it has its own command terminal, it has its own browser, it had its own NLP system, that's a natural language processing window. It's mind-blowing, man. I don't know, I'm just resuming to it. I don't want to waste more time.
Here Devin runs into an unexpected error. Devin actually decides to add a debugging print statement. Reruns the code with the debugging print statement, and then uses the error in the logs to figure out how to fix the bug. Finally, Devin decides to build and deploy a website with full styling as the visualization. You can see the website here.
Wow.
All of this is possible today because of the advancements that we've made in both reasoning and long-term planning. It's a really hard problem, and we've only just started, but we're super excited.
I need to pause here as well. Okay, what is this chart? Says actually real-world software engineer performance. Okay, this is kind of benchmark where ChatGPT 3.5 it's performing at the level of 0.52%, where DEVIN is whopping around 13.86. Wow, that's incredible. Means it's giving us the performance level of few folds higher than the most latest AI technology available here today, available in the market today. So, wow, awesome.
Excited about the progress that we've made so far. In the meantime, if you'd like to try out Devin on your own real-world tasks, send us a request below, and we'd be happy to forward it to Devin.
Sure, I will. Okay, so this video about that introductory video about DEVIN AI from Cognition team. Now, so actually, when I just see him that he's telling about all these new technology and AI technology he found it in his lab. That's awesome that DEVIN can perform multiple level of tasks in a one platform at a time. So that's incredible. That's a giant leap for the software development industry. I'm a little bit scared about this DEVIN because I don't know. Because most of the entry-level job will be vanished in a few years because code like writing a simple code for loop or other simple code like array list, if they are taking help from Google, those entry-level jobs will be completely eliminated. That's I don't know. So just get yourself prepared for it, guys. I don't know what to say. I don't have any words. I don't have any sentence to explain because people have more knowledge about coding, people who has 10 or 15 years coding knowledge and they're already in a senior level, they can secure their position, but people are working in a very base level entry level jobs and they don't know how to code properly and they're taking always help from others. That level of jobs will be completely vanished because anyway, if I have a company, then I'm not going to hire 10 people. Rather, I can buy a software or buy a AI technology, which will do my more work from my 10 people who are developing and wasting my other utilities. They're just increasing my utilities bills by only giving me a very less effective work, and I can do the same amount of work with a multiple folds with this DEVIN AI tools. That's incredible. I will definitely, if I'm a CEO of the company, I will definitely buy this software, I would say. But so right now I'm in a page where Scott Wu, who was very younger, and he was performing at senior match 4. He won a lot of math competition in his childhood, and this is a one example of his competition. This competition, I don't know what is a senior match for, and I also found it from internet. I'm just playing it for your information that how Scott Yu is smart. This man is very smart, I would say. See, this is for your entertainment. I'm just playing this video from here.
We are going to move on to the first question of our next matchup. And the question is, if the pattern shown continues, what is the letter in the 2010th position? Scott.
A.
A is the correct answer. which means Scott has a 1-0 lead over Victoria as we head into the second question of our matchup. And the next question is, what is the value of 255? Scott.
5,000.
5,000 is the correct answer.
Damn smart. It's blazing fast. Blazing fast.
And Scott is now ahead 2-0. Moving on to the third question of our matchup. And the next question is, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 can be arranged to... Scott.
60.
60 is the correct answer.
Is he really reading the question,
Which
or
means
is he
that
already
Scott
knows the
has
question?
won that matchup.
I really don't know. This is incredible speed. I really don't know. Even I will take, I don't know, 15 to 20 seconds, read that question and just trying to calculate that what would be the answer. He is taking only 3-4 seconds to read all the questions at a time and just figuring out what would be the answer. That's incredible. So, you know what? We would expect the same smart thing from this type of people. This was the child prodigy story of the Scotch U. And this. I'm just taking this from the Medium website. I'm just reading through all the, latest development story and how they're just, managed to, collect all the funds from the founders fund. And I'm just reading through all these details. You can see that the same chat displayed in that introductory video. So that's it. I don't have anything else to say about the DEVIN. The world is looking forward to you, DEVIN. And I don't know. You can be a messiah for the software engineer. You can be a, the destroyer for the software engineering industry. I don't know actually. But really, the main thing is we need to learn and learn and learn to make ourselves at par to the latest technology and the latest development, whatever it's going on with the world, because world is changing in a such a way. And you know what I'm thinking, when the first internet thing was broke out through all of the worlds, the people were thinking about our jobs will be gone, like there will be no job because internet can do all the information collection job and it can do everything. The same thing happened when the first computer got launched. So this things comes actually. I don't know what is the exact timeline. I don't know. No one knows that when this type of things will come. And we are standing in, I was just thinking last night that we are standing on a very, very sharp edge of the twilight zone, and it is the transition period the world is facing the transition period. That's all for, a lot of information. So that's all for this video. If you like this video or if you want this type of video in the future, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this information to the world so that they can prepare for themselves for the future. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.